In January 2009, 22-year-old Christine McWhorter and her 31-year-old aunt, Beatrice Daniels, were living in the Chestnut Terrace housing complex in Huntingdon County, Pennsylvania, with Christine's 4-month-old daughter and 4-year-old son. Christine had recently moved to the area to escape the violence and crime in Philadelphia, and she was attending college where she studied business. The night of January 2nd, the women were laying in bed with the children between them when they were both shot in the heads and killed with a .25 caliber gun. Luckily, Christine's children were left unharmed after the attack, and it was actually Christine's 4-year-old son who left the apartment to alert neighbors and get help. Investigators collected blood samples from the stairs and doors inside the apartment and found DNA that belonged to an unidentified male. In 2016, the DNA was sent to Parabon Nanolabs, who created an image of what the killer may look like based on his DNA. According to this profile, the killer was a black man with green or hazel eyes and a light to medium skin tone. In 2018, the DNA was used to conduct genetic genealogy, and a man named Morricone Johnson was identified as a potential suspect. He also matched the physical description released by Parabon. His name was handed over to police, who found out that Christine knew Morricone's then-girlfriend, Cynthia Swan. In 2019, Morricone was interviewed by police in his home, where he admitted to knowing Christine and Beatrice through his girlfriend Cynthia, but he denied knowing anything about their murders or even stepping foot in their apartment. Morricone did give police a sample of DNA, and it was sent off to the state lab in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania by late 2019. While they waited for the results to come back, investigators retrieved Morricone's time card information from his then employer, the New York Department of Corrections. His time cards revealed that he was not at work at the time of the murders. He did not work on January 2nd, and his shift on January 3rd didn't begin until 7 a.m., plus his place of work was nearly 5 hours away from Christine and Beatrice's apartment. By January 2020, the lab came back saying that the DNA sample given by Morricone's matched the DNA from the blood found at the crime scene. Police then interviewed Morricone's half-brother, Carroll Johnson Jr., who believed that their late father had owned a .25 caliber gun, the same kind used to kill the women, and that Morricone inherited his belongings in 1998 after his death. They also interviewed Cynthia Swan, Morricone's ex-girlfriend. The last incoming text on Christine's phone before she died was from Cynthia. She was asking Christine to call her, but Christine never responded. When police interviewed her, she stated that she and Christine were supposed to leave on January 1st to go on a weekend trip, but that they decided to stay home at the last minute so that Cynthia could be with a man named Benjamin June. According to Cynthia, around this time Morricone found out that she was having an affair with Benjamin in May of 2022, after using DNA to definitively link him to the blood at the crime scene. Morricone was finally arrested and charged with the murders of Beatrice and Christine. He will appear in court in the following months.